If it's inside, I was trying to make some notes, but I'll just walk you through it. If it's an inside referral, we are not referencing the inside referral, but we're coming in with a high level of credibility and authority, and that sounds like this. I wanted to reach out to you personally, right? I wanted to reach out to you personally, make sure my people, if that's possible, or there's something that every CFO is having to deal with. Nobody's talking about it. I just wanted to reach out to you personally, make sure that you were aware of it, right? So you're coming in very senior level, not a salesperson that got their name. And you know you're not doing it right when they say, who gave you my name, right? So, and they still might do that, but don't sweat it. If it's an internal referral, like if Rick gives me Danielle's name, I'm not gonna say, hey Danielle, I got your name from Rick. Because we're gonna be arguing about whether or not Rick should have given me the name. Hey Danielle, Matt Easton, founder of Easton University. Hey, I wanted to reach out to you personally. There is something that every CFO is having to deal with right now. Nobody's talking about it. I'm on my mobile, 720-660-3202. Be prepared if they answer and be prepared if they don't, because most of the time they're not. If it's an outside referral, like a colleague, like another vendor, we can now leverage that for credibility and authority. That sounds like this. So-and-so called in a favor. Santosh is on this call. Let's say he says, man, you should talk to Tony Gomez about this. I'm gonna not only lift my authority and credibility, but I'm gonna make Santosh look good, right? Hey, Tony, Santosh is a client of ours. He called in a favor, asked me to reach out to you personally, see if me or my people could help you in any way. I'm on my mobile, 720-660-3202. So if it's an outside referral, I'm gonna call attention to it and I'm gonna use the words called in a favor, right? Because now it's like, man, Santosh, you're really connected with high-level people. It's not, hey, Tony, my name's Matt Easton. You were referred to us by one of our clients, Santosh. He's a great client. I work in the sales department here, and if I could have 5 minutes of your time, I'd love to learn a little bit about your business. That's gonna get Santosh, ow, slapped the next time Tony sees him. He's like, dude, don't give my number around. But if Tony sees Santosh after the right way, he's gonna be like, bro, thank you so much for looking out with me with the sales coaching guy. That was really cool of you. Yeah, no problem, dude, he's great. Was he able to help you? I don't know, I think so. Cool, man, keep me posted, anything I can do. So if it's an outside referral, call attention to it with high authority and credibility, wanted to reach out to you personally, so-and-so called in a favor. If it's an internal referral, just I wanted to reach out to you personally. If they say, how did you get my name and number on an internal? At that point, then you answer, Danielle in purchasing, right? Boom, right with the answer. If you work in sales and you're serious about your career, I'm gonna give you $300 right here, right now to close more deals. Did we just become best friends? I think so. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales coaching system in the world. One little tiny piece of that sales coaching system is our mini masterclass on closing. It's $300. But I'm gonna cover the cost for you right now. I've set some money aside out of our marketing budget. If you click the link here, I will text you a code where you can go and grab the mini masterclass on closing. I'm gonna cover all of the cost for you. You pay nothing. There's no commitment on your end. My hope is that you close so much more business, you come and join us over at Easton University, but that choice is yours. If you want to double, triple, quadruple your closing right now, click the link. I will text you a code to get the Easton University mini masterclass on closing right here, right now, and I'm going to cover all the cost for you. Click the link. I'll see you on the other side.